Welcome to Mobile, Alabama, where A320 family jets roll in as giant Lego pieces and roll out as brand new airliners. Here's the factory-to-flight journey. First, arrival and inspection. Fuselage barrels, wings, tail sections. They come through a transshipment hangar, get measured, scanned, and checked, so the first surprise isn't on final approach. Structural assembly is next. The fuselage sections are joined into one long tube. Wings attach with precision jigs. Tail cone locks into place. Vertical fin locks into place. Horizontal stabilizer locks into place. It's micrometers and torque wrenches, not mallets and luck. Then systems. Inside that tube, teams thread the aircraft's nervous system. Hydraulic lines, electrical harnesses, flight controls, air conditioning, galleys, lavs, overhead bins. It's a small city of cables and ducts, all mapped and barcoded. Landing gear goes on, nose. Landing gear goes on, mains. A weighted plate on the nose keeps balance during assembly. Engines join at later stations, sourced from American suppliers for many customers. Power on day is a milestone. The jet wakes up for the first time. Screens light, pumps spin. Avionics testing, hydraulics testing, environmental systems testing, miles of wiring being exercised. If a test fails, a formal failure detected event triggers troubleshooting. Techs follow manuals, log everything, fix it, and test again. FOD control is relentless. Every tool is tagged and foam outlined, so a missing wrench is obvious. Lose a tool? You and your lead do a methodical search and file the report. Then the broader sweep begins. It's not drama, it's documented process. When the aircraft passes its station checks, it tows to paint. Paint hangar, a separate building climate-controlled booth. Multiple coats being applied, decals applied. Sometimes basic white, sometimes a flying billboard. Final acceptance comes with flight tests. The customer's crew flies, checks performance, signs off. Keys, metaphorically, change hands, and the jet heads to its new home. Behind the scenes, hundreds of people touch each airplane. European fabrication, Mobile's final assembly line, the FAL. As of October 2025, more than 2,000 employees work here, ramping toward around 3,100 with expansion. With 2 A320 lines, Mobile can turn out roughly 16 A320 family jets a month. Add A220s, and total capacity sits near 20 per month. Multiple shifts, scheduled breaks, and, when needed, overtime keep the line moving. Money question time. How much does an A320 cost after assembly? It depends on model and deal. After typical discounts, industry estimates put new A320neo family jets roughly in the tens of millions, often around the $50 to $70 million range for many A320neo configurations, with A321neos typically higher. Actual prices vary by options, volume, and timing. Do airlines buy outright or finance? Both. Some pay cash, finance leases, loans, manufacturer support, export credit, operating leases through lessors. Sale leasebacks are common too, with pre-delivery payments spread over years. Insurance? Absolutely. Airlines carry hull and liability coverage. Lenders and lessors require it. Policies are specialized. Hull all risk, war risk, third-party liability, and often include maintenance reserves and covenants tied to financing. From crates to contrails. That's the Mobile A320 journey. I hope you like this video produced by SCO's Media. Be sure to like and subscribe to SCO's YouTube channel.